Rippy here. I just arrived at the Farm Science Review at the Molly Cairn Center off of US 40, London, Ohio. Put on in a large part by the Ohio State University. There's thousands of people here. This vehicle's registered in Ontario, Canada. But I'm over here by the bikes. They have the bikes pretty well organized this year. And then there's a large spot for golf carts, and then guys have like side by sides. But you talk about a hike. This place to be miles, and there's 600 acres here. The but yeah, to cover it with your golf cart. So it's really cool. I've never seen all the bikes together like this in this large of a group, but this is called a Spider F3. I mean, this thing looks gnarly. And he's got it low slung. He's removed the windshield, or it didn't have one anyway. And you don't want one on a bike in a way, in my opinion, especially a large one. And so a big bag on the back, set up for you can still fit 2 people on that bike. Yeah, they've got the bag in behind. A very beautiful, I mean, top of the line Beamer here. This is like the Cadillac, their flagship model. I think this is saying it's a 6-cylinder engine. The 6 on there. It is 1600 cc. My goodness. 1.6 liter. And talking about windshields, you push a button somewhere, and that windshield, it's a veritable on a motorized. That windshield moves all different directions when you push buttons. Look at the size of the compartment in the back. So this is your farmer special here. The parts runner. Oh yeah, the go-getter. Probably a Honda Elite. They have a digital speedometer in them, I think. No, there's the mileage. 22,800 miles. So, you know, maybe a 20-year-old bike. Wow! Oh my goodness, this is a beautiful. 2 riders there with their silver helmets on a black slick. And here again, that windshield probably moves. And here's where the movement is. You can move it down to there. You just push a button, and those are motorized in all different directions. Is this an Indian? Roadkill. This is called a Roadkill. Whoever makes the Roadkill 1300 there, nice job. The Golden Wing, this is a friend of mine, I bet you. It's Philip's Valkyrie. He's here today. A lot of the farmers, they come every day. And I've rode with them before. That's a Golden Wing engine, and everyone was mad when they quit making the Valkyrie, and I don't blame them. But if I were to get a regular Honda, that would probably be one. It's hard to decide when you're buying a bike, you know, if you want the Harley. And this guy didn't even want a bike, so he's got a trike. And then these guys are pulled into the fence to where they're going to back out. And those dresser bikes, I suppose they must have a electric reverse gear in them, because they would know what they were doing to park like that. But I wouldn't be wanting to push my bike anywhere if it was that big. He's got some kind of a racing exhaust on this guy. Pair of beautiful, but here's a nice scooter, a Bergman from Suzuki. It's you know, a pretty prime weapon there. But he has the polo green R12 like my R12 somebody does. This is a 23,000 mile bike. Mine is a 96,000 mile bike. My bike's a little bit older than this one, and he has the crash bars over the jugs. It has the saddlebags, and that was like a $1,600 or $2,000 option. He has the buddy seat, the real one, where I just have the little buddy seat that flips. But yeah, in polo green, and he has a set of marathon rubber from Highland County registration. Kind of a stock looking grip on his with both mirrors. I just run one mirror. He has a windshield, I don't. And I just got a set of new grips for this guy. Comfortable. He keeps his bike cleaner than I do currently. And a beautiful fire engine red Can-Am. And so he's running that shield on down. But this is what we're here for, the start of the show. Gonna walk on in here, and maybe go back. It's hard telling where we end up and how much ground we can cover in a few hours. But a 9520 with the track, rubber tracks on it, here by one of the entrances, which there's many of them, over here at the Farm Science Review, London, Ohio, guys. Thanks for watching my videos. Burger Rippy.